Right, this is Amanda Seifert, and my second of the 5 technologies that I found is a website called Classroom Screen. It's a really cool site that has numerous different widgets and things you can use on the screen individually with kids or in groups, different ways to break up the screen. It's supposed to help the class stay on task and to stay motivated to learn. So I wanted you to see kind of what I had here, and then I will search for that, because I wanted you to see what it looked like when it first pulled up. It has this screen, and then it just brings the widgets, if you can see that, and everything down here at the bottom. Now, it has its own background, but you can put your own pictures, so I thought what would be something kind of neat, depending on what I was using it for, is to have a picture of my class. Now down here are different widgets, things you can use. This right here over in this button kind of gives you a little bit about who created it. He's a teacher that couldn't find everything in one place, so he created this page himself. It is free, but you can obviously donate. How it works: you just project this tool on your screen, select the favorite widgets you'd like up here, and then let the students do your work. So this was a little cool thing, so I'll let him do the little video for you. All right, so I really thought that was kind of cool. I wanted you to be able to see what was available. Since I haven't been able to play around with it very much, I thought that was cool for you to get to watch that intro. Some of my favorite things would be like the voice level. This right here seemed really cool to me. I love the stoplight, and the timer was a good one of my favorites, because that's where I ran into this, was searching for online fun, online timers. I've seen some that are races, you know, if you can get it done faster than this horse, whatever, different kinds of online cute timers, but I really liked how this incorporated everything together. It's got different tips and tricks that each one, it can explain a little bit about how to use it, what it works with and compatible. And there's a place to sign the guest book and of course to donate. But I just really thought this was a cool site. Down here is the picture, obviously, that the creator put on, and again down here at the bottom are all the widgets, different things you can do. So here, for instance, is the stoplight you can click, There's your timer you can set, and then just to get them off, you come back down here. So on this one, the purpose for this selection, as I've already mentioned, is to use all of those tools for transition times, for cleanup times, anything to be interactive with the lessons, rolling of the dice, the technology boxes, drawing of the names. The audience would obviously be my classroom students, who I'm trying to do that for. The standards that I picked, the first one was a coach's standards. It's a digital age learning environment, 3A. Model effective classroom management and collaborative learning strategies to maximize teacher and student use of digital tools and resources and access to technology-rich learning environments. The second was an education standard, and it's number 5C on design, and it says explore and apply instructional design principles to create innovative digital learning environments that engage and support learning. Then this one I just thought was really neat, so I hope maybe you choose to incorporate it into your classroom too. Thanks.